swag up in the air, rapping scattered off the gear. I can map him, yeah, the ears like a tracker, get distracted, send him back like in the mail. Not a fraction of them real, catch him lacking, run the drill. Running through the shit like a motherfucking dage.
Okay, so my audio stuffed up, but basically we are at QR, Queensland Raceway for Friday Night Drift. Super excited, massive storm just in the distance there about to come, and unleash a bunch of water on the track and create a river. But little do I know that's about to happen. The audio just stuffed up completely, so I'm just doing a little narration here for the intro, talking some shit. Basically S13 is ready to go. Had a few minor issues, got them sorted, but yeah, car is running mint, no issues now. Just got to unload it. Yeah, the storm is right there. We got Brad here, the new apprentice, out to help me change some tires, and yeah, he's a freaking awesome dude. He's always in good spirits and having a good time. So it was his first time out on the track, so he had a bloody good time. But yeah, had an issue with the light bar, fixed that. It was just a fuse that was like twisted. It was really strange, but that's sorted now. Just in time for some nighttime drifts, and that storm is about to really piss down. You're about to see that in the clips, some really cool footage, so make sure you stick around to check it out. Yeah, we got 4 tires there ready to go, but in the rain you don't go through any tires at all, so yeah, it's good. You do go through fuel but no tires, so definitely a lot cheaper. But yeah, like the video, drop a comment below, and if you're new here to the channel, hit the subscribe button. Appreciate it, guys. Alrighty, so driver's briefing done. We've got our wristbands. Brad's got his wristband. He's from keen as. Still got your hat on, mate. Ready to go. Yeah, we're gonna have to ride with the windows cracked halfway down, which means we're gonna get soaking wet, because when you go sideways, the water just comes straight in, like in your eyes. So I'm starting with the open face helmet, but I remember last time when we were driving, I definitely needed to have a helmet with a face shield so you didn't get in your eyes. But we'll see what happens. Is there a bit of a puddle there, mate?
Yeah, well, someone's saying it's moist.
Wait, we're gonna get a proper shower.
First one I've had in weeks.
Yeah, that's true. I'm already wet. We haven't even got out there.
Yeah, got to drive the windows down. Woo!
I'm just cracking mine a little bit.
Hey, I'm fully down. Yeah. I just gotta put my helmet, my camera on my head.
Yeah, do that.
And get into it.
Nice. So we're gonna try and do some tandems. It's probably not a good idea to do tandems in the wet, especially when you're at our skill level, because it's very sketchy. But we're gonna do it anyway. It's gonna be some fun. We'll just hang back a bit to start off with, feel it out, see how we're both driving. Xavier did crash his car last night. It's probably going to be on free. And with this, with the torque, man, you can't use any accelerator. It's just like little touches of the accelerator. When you get on like in the right spot, then you can go for it. But pretty much like, man, you have to come in pretty soft. You can't really be aggressive with it. Well, I can't anyway. So we're just gonna do the old bloody dipper track now, because we've lost our friends. So the dipper track is in the actual dip pit. So it goes down, then back up again. And yeah, she's gonna be interesting. And if you stuff it up, you go in that pond there. It's pretty far away. I think you struggle to get in the pond. Yeah, let's see how we go. I don't know if you guys can see anything, but hopefully you can, because it's about to get dark, and then it's going to be really not easy to see at all. And also, you probably can't even freaking hear me. It's bloody loud, eh? It's pretty loud. It's a bit loud. Yeah. But yeah, there's a fair few people out here considering it's completely wet, which is good to see. Yeah, let's have another lap. It is proper wet skid time, like proper wet skid time. We went out, done some pretty freaking cool laps considering. It's amazing how much traction you have. Hey, every time, hey. iPhone problem. It's amazing how much traction you have on your front tires, even though there's like this much freaking water laying across the road. Like, it just baffles me, you know? But yeah, it was pretty good. We got a couple of runs in with Xavier, as you've seen. The footage is freaking sick. Definitely put in the comments thank you, Brad, for getting the sick footage. And not sure if they're gonna let us back out or not, but it is pissing down. We managed to drive around here and quickly put the windows up, you know, with the battery and shit in the S13, and then ran under here to the toilets to have some cover. But everyone's getting proper pissed on out there, and it's like hectic lightning storm right over the top of us. But it was some cool footage, like driving with the lightning and shit. It was pretty sick. So we'll see what happens. I don't even know what the time is, but we did like consistent laps. We didn't even come in the whole time, just stayed out there. It's almost 8 o'clock. So 2 hours, lap after lap, just back to back. So much track time. It was sick. Definitely not as fun as in the dry, but still fun. So I'll keep this updated. We'll see if this storm passes over. And probably have a look at the bomb radar and see if we can go back out. Still got like another couple of hours. Look at these fellas. Absolutely soaked, mate. Loving life. 3 showers. So yeah, I'll check back in with these very shortly. Unfortunately, they did close the track down. It did piss down for maybe like a good 30 minutes straight. Maybe not even that actually. It was pissed down and then it completely stopped. But there's like an actual raging river out through the track on 2 sections. 3 to 6 has a river, and at the dipper has a river. So yeah, it's unsafe for us to go back out because as soon as you hit that river, it's just gonna spin you out basically. But yeah, we got some fun runs in there. They did come on the speaker and say that they're gonna send us out an email and decide on what they're gonna do. Last time this happened, they gave us free entry to the following Friday night. So hopefully, fingers crossed, we get that and it's dry and we can come out here and do some actual skids. But massive thanks to Brad for helping me out for the night. He's just having some tucker. I haven't said that in so many years, I don't know why I said that.
I almost spilled my food back on you.
Yeah, we had a good time. Thanks to Brad for helping me out and for getting some sick footage. Like, that camera angle was sick.
Hopefully it's good.
Nah, it looks sick when we're watching it back. But yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the like button. Drop a comment below, and in the comment section write Wet Weather Warrior.
Yes.
Yes, Brad loves it.
Yeah.
And then yeah, if you're new here to the channel, hit the subscribe button. Some really cool shit happening real soon in the shed with the 32. So see you guys then. Have a good one. Peace out.
See ya.
Guys, we are at Queensland Raceway for a Friday night drift session. I missed out on the Christmas Bash tickets, unfortunately. It was like the craziest freaking, like trying to get tickets on that. It was insane. I pressed the button as fast as you can humanly press it, and then it said sold out instantly, and I was like, what? So first time I missed out on tickets for Xmas Bash, but we made it to the Friday night drift. This is the last one of the year. So yeah, super excited for that. We've got Brad here, the apprentice. I've got to start again, it's all foggy. Fuck, look at the screen. Oh, what? Is that the lens? That's from the aircon, dude. Oh.